January 23rd, 2021. Nurse log 25. I am beginning to understand Charm's illness, but I have yet to explain it.
What child is this?
I am sustaining her temperature between 102 and 104.4 degrees with 10 milliliters of methadone twice a day.
Open, Charm. Open.
The fever is the only thing holding her together.
You see, you're so close.
It is the only thing stopping her from slipping away from me. Again.
Maybe we should take a break.
This is what needs to happen. Trust me, I know. You're not normal.
I'm not normal. That's Rich.
102, 104.4. 10 milliliters twice a day. 2.4 degrees. It's a narrow range, no doubt. But outside of that narrow range, she's not herself.